5 best money generating blog topics. I'm going to bet you can already name these topics, but just in case, here's the list. 1. Health. Health and fitness are growing by the minute. It's worth billions of dollars, and if you can carve out your own niche, you can be rich. 2. Money. Let's face it. People either want money or they want more money. Saving money, making money, investing money. It's all highly profitable for the right blogger. 3. Food. The food niche is always relevant, and always in demand, and guess what? Everyone eats. You can promote food-related products, get sponsors, and even hold your own cooking classes. According to RankIQ, food bloggers consistently make the highest median income. 4. Travel. Who doesn't dream of getting away from it all? With travel, there is always something new to write about, and you can even do it while you are traveling yourself. Monetize with advertising, collaborating with brands, and promoting high-ticket affiliate programs. 5. Your passion. There are tons of other blog niches that can be monetized through affiliate products, advertising, and so forth. The key is to find something you are passionate about that has an audience willing to pay for content, products, or services. While you don't need to be passionate about the niche you choose, you'll find it is far easier to sustain your blog with great new content if you yourself find it interesting and invigorating. I once saw someone write a little monthly newsletter on arrowheads. Just arrowheads. He also ran a blog to feed subscribers into the paid newsletter, and he made a full-time income with this because A. He loved it, and B. His audience was just as passionate about the topic as he was. Do you want to know more about making money online with affiliate marketing? Join our free training. Link in the description.